beautiful people! Welcome to my channel! It's a beautiful day and a new video for today, and I welcome you to Charlottenburgh Park. Let's go and make some adventure.
Charlottenburgh.
We are walking near the area for cabins and a trailer station. So let me tell you about this park. So Charlottenburgh Park is located on the St. Lawrence River near Somerstown, Ontario, a few kilometers east of Cornwall, in the township of South Glengarry. Charlottenburgh encompasses a total of 234.7 acres of green space.
So here in Charlottenburgh,
Yeah,
at the beach. Sunny weather, but it's windy. Now
but
we
still
are.
good.
I think this is leading us to the water.
Water
Swimming area.
swimming area.
Nagsamot. Oh,
Yeah.
samot.
Alright. Okay.
Managnes, oh.
Hi! Look at the sea!
Yeah.
Kabilang banyo ng Pilipinas.
Sa Garuda.
I hope.
I wish na Pilipinas sa kabila.
I wish.
OMG, medyo narupok dito kayo nga pagnaan. Try tayo lang sa mga tadya nga to. Let's see what's in there. Okay, oh wow. Mayat ka dito nga to na. Puro green tea makita. Mayat. Medyo naangin. Naawan pa dyan telescope ngay dito eh. Picture na lang tapos ag-emo kasjay. The park offers a beach, a boat launch, nature trails, campground, and more, surrounded by trees and wildlife. and service lots offers campers an opportunity to relax and connect with nature. Sige, balik ka doon. Wala pang picture doon. Sige, picture. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yun.